Understanding fell on deaf ears, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, fell on deaf ears. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering English, adding color and depth to our conversations. This phrase is a powerful tool for describing situations where communication doesn't quite hit the mark. Let's unravel its meaning and use together. The phrase, fell on deaf ears, is used to describe a situation where a message, request, or piece of advice is ignored or not taken into consideration by the person or people it was directed to. Imagine speaking, but no one seems to listen or care about what you're saying. That's exactly what this idiom encapsulates. It's not about physical hearing issues but rather a metaphorical way of expressing neglect or indifference towards someone's words. Understanding the history and origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, fell on deaf ears, has been used for centuries, with its roots likely in literature and everyday speech to convey the frustration of unheeded warnings or advice. It paints a vivid picture of the speaker's words dropping to the ground, unheard, much like seeds failing to sprout on barren ground. Let's put this idiom into context with some examples. 1. In personal conversations, I tried to warn him about the risks, but my concerns fell on deaf ears. 2. In professional settings, the employee's requests for better working conditions fell on deaf ears. 3. In public discourse, citizens have long been voicing their needs, but sadly, these pleas often fall on deaf ears among policymakers. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable in various scenarios from informal chats to formal debates. Using idioms like, fell on deaf ears, can enhance your English by making it more nuanced and expressive. Here's how you can incorporate it into your communication. To express frustration when your attempts at communication are ignored. To criticize situations where important information or advice is disregarded. To reflect on past experiences where you felt unheard or overlooked. Remember, the key to using idioms effectively is understanding their context and connotations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, fell on deaf ears. We hope this video has not only shed light on its meaning and origins but also inspired you to enrich your English vocabulary with idioms. Remember, mastering idioms is a step towards more vivid and expressive communication. Thank you for watching, and don't let your learning enthusiasm fall on deaf ears. Keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.